Welcome. In this lesson, we will learn how to create a new string by taking the last three characters of a given string and adding them to both the front and the back. Let's get started. Our task is to take the last three characters of a string and add them to both the front and the back of the string. The string must be at least 3 characters long. Here's the JavaScript code that takes a string, checks if it's long enough, extracts the last 3 characters, and adds them to the front and the back. If the string is shorter than 3 characters, it returns a false. The code first checks if the string has at least 3 characters. If it does, we extract the last 3 characters and concatenate them to the original string. If not, the function returns false. In this example, the string has exactly 3 characters. The last 3 characters are the entire string itself. So the function returns ABC, ABC, ABC. Here, the input string is too short. Since it doesn't have 3 characters, the function returns false. In this example, the last 3 characters of the string ABCD are BCD, which are added to both the front and the back of the original string, resulting in BCD, ABCD, BCD. This is the same solution using ES6 arrow functions. This syntax is more concise, but the logic remains the same. To summarize, we learned how to manipulate strings in JavaScript by extracting the last 3 characters and adding them to both the front and the back of the string. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials.